Hello again and welcome back to the channel. Today I have got a package, rather large one, and I'm very excited about this one. So let's get it open. Bit of a knife, using an old prop. First I have a Crossfire Nano RX T-Motor 6143, and these look very nice. These are for my 6-inch Apex. Then I have some HQ props. These are 6-inch 3.5 pitch, also for the Apex. These are a bit wide, it seems. These are Pyrodrone. I really like these. These weigh 200 grams, which is quite nice for 1300. Then it seems they put in a gift as well. I get all my stuff from what they call the Drone FPV Racer. And here they are, you can see, thank you, Drone FPV Racer. I should mention that all this I get here is paid for with my own money. I did not receive anything from Drone FPV Racer or anything. These are for aluminum standoffs for my Apex. And now, this is the main thing in the package. The Protek 35. And I'm just gonna check. This is 6S and a TBS Crossfire in this. Nice case as always. Spare set of props, B to micro USB, lipo straps, screws, a small keychain thing for the Gopro mount. They put an adapter for the Vista unit, so it's an angle adapter so I can reach the USB-C from here. And on the bottom they also put an adapter there from there. Long antenna, I don't know how that will do with the wobbles, but I think it's okay. I'm not planning to do wild acro stuff with this. And LED light in the back. This looks very cool, can't wait to fly. Now I've got to charge the battery. And as soon as it gets a little bit better weather, right now there's a lot of snow, maybe I will go to indoor area where I can fly this and try it out, hopefully soon. Get out and get flying.